What is up, guys? Today we have a little surprise. Someone got a new car. You guys might know who this is. He has the 3000 GT that people seem to either love or hate.
Mostly hate.
No, dude, that's me painting my dirt bike. He got an MR2.
Nice. That's pretty.
Yeah. So we're changing the alternator.
Shit. Titties. It's a bunch of titties.
God, dude, what a mess.
So
Okay, Mister.
I was thinking you should put the turbo like right here on the side.
On the side?
On the side, and then that's
Okay.
it. I don't need no intercooler.
Okay.
I don't need no extra piping.
Okay.
In fact, I'm gonna switch the 91 ECU to the 87.
Okay. You do
That way it thinks it's not like a great car. It doesn't think it's mediocre, and you know, like he pushes his hardest, like Lightning McQueen. This car's Lightning McQueen.
So that's where you're supposed to touch it with your tongue.
Oh, that's why he says not hand, but the tongue.
Yeah, not hands, but the tongue. Yeah, you.
Couldn't do it. I was gonna do it, but I couldn't do it.
First things first, you gotta disconnect the negative battery terminal so you don't shock yourself.
Dude, I'm barely gay.
So you better disconnect your radio,
Yeah,
dude.
better. Damn, that radio is like, it's so important to me.
Dude, I think someone stole it.
Oh fuck, already? We were only here for like 10 minutes. This neighborhood is crazy, man.
Here. There's the alternator. And the axle is in front of it. Or below it. Apparently you can take it out without taking the axle out. I don't know how. They said move the exhaust, but I don't see how that would help at all. So that's the only piece that goes near it. The rest is back over here, so maybe. How the fuck is it?
Dude, I'm gonna need me a 10, man.
Dude, maybe you'd be able to find it if you fucking get your shit straight.
No, I don't need to get my shit straight. I'll get some.
You gotta use the other ratchet then, the little baby one.
Yeah, I know.
The internet is saying this is an hour-long job. What do you think?
40, 30 minutes, max. With us, we do anything. Dude, there's a lot of unbolting to do, man.
Yeah.
Dude.
The mid-engine problems.
Yeah. Can I bend you at least? Bend you a little bit, dude. Don't worry. It's only temporary.
So take this little guy off. It's 1, 10 here, down there, and right there. This is what happens when you get a project car.
Yeah, dude, but at least I know what the fuck I'm working with.
Maybe. To get better access, we took this off, this plastic shroud. And you can see the alternator
You
better.
just pushed it towards me.
Lo siento.
It was finally where it was.
See the alternator right up there, top left corner. And I took off down here. There's this. That's where a terminal goes on. I took that off down there, pushed it off to the side. So now we have the alternator loose, but I guess there's one more on, we think it's the bottom one there, and we got to try to find it. So we'll update you when we find it. Okay, we got it loose. No, there's no way it's gonna fit up here.
Well, the axe was in the way.
So is there like a little path you can take to get it out? Alrighty guys, we got this old one out. It looks a little beat up. So that's a good thing, because that's what we think the problem is. But now we're having trouble getting the new one in. So yeah, just one problem after the other. Alright guys, big update. We got her in, sort of. We got her where she needs to go. Now our issue is getting the bolt for that bottom one. You can't really see that bottom bolt in. We have to slide the alternator to line the hole up, and we're not really sure how we're gonna do that. There's not a whole lot of room to work with. Alright, update guys, we got the bottom one in finally. It was hard. You have to like wiggle it and hit it down, hit it back, forward, up, middle, all kinds of stuff. But we finally got it in. So he's gonna tighten that one up. Don't get it all the way tight, just get it snug to where we can still move it. Like
that?
Yeah, for now that should be good.
Okay.
So then we gotta put this little bracket back on. Hey guys, so if you see that down there, you gotta remember to put that back on, and you use that there on the left to tighten the belt or loosen it, whichever you need. That bolt on the right is holding the alternator on. There's one on the bottom, and right now he's plugging her up. Alright guys, we got it hooked back up. So we'll see if she'll start, but let's see if the belt's tight enough. Let's make sure there's no squeaking. Looks good. Everything's on? Sweet.
What? See, they're not coming up.
At all?
Nope. Oh, there you go.
It was the alternator.
It was.
Yay, dude, you look like a mad scientist. Like your experiment went wrong.
Oh my god, yes! It was the alternator, dude. Thank you, Lord. Fuck out of zone.
And that is how you change an alternator on a Mark II MR2. It's a bitch. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, comment down below if this helped. And if you have any other questions, leave below. I'll answer best I can. And hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you later. Peace.